a whole cycle that is uses to keep the Earth's ecosystem in the right balance. The development and care of both living and non-living creatures on Earth are supported by a healthy environment. Our ability to live a healthy life depends on the environment's ability to preserve the harmony of nature. Therefore, maintaining a clean atmosphere is crucial if we want to live a long and happy life. For life to exist, it is crucial to protect our environment and keep nature in balance, because there are several effects. We need a safe and healthy environment in order to imagine our continued existence in the future. Water pollution results from the discharge of unprocessed industrial waste and other dangerous substances into the water. Air pollution results from the unchecked emission of hazardous smoke from vehicles and industries. Our ecology is also impacted by noise and soil pollution. The enormous release of greenhouse gases increase the Earth's surface temperature. This is the cause of global warming. In the future, it will be perilous for us to continue to live on Earth. To keep our environment clean and secure, we need to abide of certain standards. A healthy environment provides us with clean air, flora, and water, as well as serenity and tranquility in our daily lives. Every person is happier in a pleasant atmosphere. The growth of society or an individual is significantly influenced by the environment. Improper disposal can lead to adverse health outcomes. For example, through water, soil, and air contamination, hazardous waste or unsafe waste treatment such as open burning can directly harm waste workers or other people involved in waste burning and neighboring communities. Vehicle pollutants harm our health and contain greenhouse gases that cause climate change. Burning gasoline and diesel fuel creates harmful byproducts like nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, benzene, and formaldehyde. In addition, vehicles emit carbon dioxide, the most common human-caused greenhouse gas. Buy reusable products such as glass bottles, reusable bags, and reusable cups. Avoid buying disposable goods such as paper towels, plastic bottles, and plastic bags. Start a composting and recycling program in communities where there are none. This will help cut down on waste productions.
Proper waste disposal and management can be done by applying the 3R, or also known as reduce, reuse, and recycle. Proper waste removal helps improve air and water quality as well as reduces greenhouse gas emissions. The effects of soil erosion go beyond the loss of fertile land. It has led to increased pollution and sedimentation in streams, clogging these waterways and causing declines in fish and other species. And degraded lands are also often less able to hold onto water, which can worsen flooding.
Impacts of smoke from burning trash and plastic. Burning plastic and treated wood also releases heavy metals and toxic chemicals, such as dioxin. Other chemicals released while burning plastic include benzopyrene and polyaromatic hydrocarbons, which have both been shown to cause cancer.
It is our collective and individual responsibility to preserve and tend to the world in which we all live.